our art friends. By the end of this video, we are going to know how to draw a hot air balloon. So let's start drawing. First, draw half a square for the balloon basket. Then a small oval shape at the top. Decorate the basket with a few horizontal lines. Draw two lines coming out from the same point at each side at the top of the basket. Draw an oval shape at the top. Draw an upside down U shape right at the top of the basket. Draw half a square below the oval shape and an upside down letter V inside. For the flame, draw a line coming up from each side of the oval shape, slightly tilted to the sides. Then connect them by drawing the big balloon shape. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Decorate the bottom of the balloon with some curved horizontal lines. Decorate the rest of the balloon with some long curved vertical lines. Then draw a half circle between each two lines. Repeat the pattern 3 more times to finish the decoration. Woohoo! Now you can draw an amazing hot air balloon. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.